Hello, 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 my people. How are you doing today? I am so excited to be with you today. I am going to be sharing with you one of my favorite juices. Now, I've been on juicing for about 2 weeks now, and it is doing so much for me. I'm telling you. And this is one of the recipes that I'm enjoying more than anything else. This is excellent for detoxification. And you know that juicing overall helps with the brightening of the skin and also helps the body to absorb more nutrients from the food, right? Or from the vegetable or the food or the fruit that you are juicing. All right, so I am going to get straight at it. Now I started to slice the carrots already, so this one is remaining. I'm gonna cut the carrots open, and I already opened the beetroot, so I'm gonna use half. As you can see, this is a medium one. I'm gonna use half of it. Won't use so much of it. All right, and what I am going to do is to juice my orange first. All right, so this is orange from the farm, naturally grown, my people. All right, so this is how I do it. Cut it in the middle, and then I will just juice it. All right, so as you can see, this orange juicer is doubled. Whatever you use, if you squeeze it and strain it with a strainer, that is good as well. Anyway, you can get out the juice. But I'm so happy that, you know, I'm getting orange from my farm. It's a wonderful thing, and it's a good feeling as well. And this tastes really different from the one that you buy in the supermarket, my people. This is so good in terms of the tanginess of it. Excellent. Excellent. All right, so I'm gonna be doing about 3 oranges, and this is 1 to 2 cups of juice. All right, and everything here is natural. Look at this. Look at the brightness of this orange. This is coming straight from the farm. All right, now those of you who, you know, have been messaging me or calling me about visiting my farm, one of these days you'll get to. All right, hopefully as well I will be bringing you more videos. All right, so it's a good day to be alive in good health and in good spirits. God is amazing, and He has created all these natural fruits, food, vegetables, herbs for us to enjoy. And you know, all of it is for the healing of our bodies, to keep us in good shape, to keep our minds functioning effectively as well. All right. And this is 3 oranges. I have berry in my tree here, and also a guava. The farm is doing very well. And when I don't get the things off my farm, there is also my friends that are close by. They also do their farming, and I will get off their farm as well. All right. What I must encourage you to plant, especially in this time, make sure that you plant. If it's even a little herb garden, plant something. All right. So this is the orange juice that I will be adding to my juice so I can enjoy today. All right, that can stay over there, and I will dry my hand with a little napkin right here, and as clean as I go along. And then, all right, so this is done. I'm going to now set up my juicer, and this is the best juicer you can have. All right, I've always wanted one of these, and finally, I know I'm enjoying the usage of one. All right, so making sure that you can see everything that's going on clearly. So right here, we just tighten it, and this should be it. And then I will put it in and close, and that's the firmness of it. It's well set. All right, then I will now add, hoping that you're seeing everything, and I will then add the trays. All right, this is the strainer. You put it under there, and this is what we use to push the fruits down in so it can be juice. All right, and then we turn it on. The switch is at the back, and I hope you can see what's going on here. No, I'm not seeing any movements here, so let me check this. Let me check what's going on here. All right, let me open here and put it out a little bit more so that it can go in. I have to check to make sure everything is all right. And that's open and that's closed now. All right, let's check if it's spinning. Oh, so it's now spinning inside. Now let me do another check, because there's two of them. One of them has a little chip on it, and another one is good. Well, this is the one that's good. All right, so I'm missing something out of the juicer. I'm missing something. All right, here is the other section that I should have had right here. So I'm going to put it in here, making sure that everything is set well. Also doing it so that you can see, that you can have an idea of what it is. All right, so that was what I was missing out on. All right, and there it is now. All right, all set. And then I'm gonna put it all in. That's open, and then that's closing. Yeah, there we have it. Now it's all perfect. All right, here we go, and it's time for the juicing. All right, and there we have the carrots. So we're going to put down the carrots, turn it on again, and then we're going to push the carrots in. All right, I'm hoping that you are seeing everything nicely. All right, push it up a little bit so you can see everything. Keep putting in the carrots. So we put in the carrots. Alright. We take our time, or we just hold it down and it will crunch as it go along. Alright. Hopefully this one can go in. I'll just break it in two, and then I'll put it in. And I'm loving the color of the carrots. Beautiful. All right, then I'm going to add, you see right here, this is the parsley. All right, and this is excellent for your kidney. All right, it helps to detox the kidney. So that's the parsley. I have another piece right here. I'm gonna put it in. the parsley. And then this is the celery. So we have 2 stalks of celery. Alright? And that was about 3 to 4 stalks of parsley. This is 2 stalks of celery. And this is my ginger. I'm going to add this ginger alone because ginger is very hot. And it's a little piece of ginger, about 2 inches. And then here we have the turmeric. So 4 small pieces of turmeric. Alright, so that's it. And then right here is, you know what, my beetroot. I'm going to just put it in 3 pieces so that it can juice easily. Such a good aroma right now. So I'm happy that you all will try this recipe. I'm happy that you will try it. I know you're gonna try it. Alright, and that's what I will be extracting today. Alright, so all this is natural, and you know that when we, let's have a piece of napkin, when we extract, the potency is richer than when it is blended. Alright, my people? Alright, so now after we have everything set, the juicing and everything is set, I'm gonna have a little cup that I will use to catch the excess. Alright, good. So that will catch the excess, and I will just keep it on this side as it catch the excess. As you can see, if you don't put something underneath it, it will spill. All right, but that's fine. So this is what it looks like. Rich, put that right there. And now we need our glass. Man, I'm so excited about this. So I'm gonna pour the orange juice. Oh, 100% natural. Look at that. Look at the richness of this. And this is what will help you to detox. Be rich and flavorful. Help you to detox your liver. You should try this for about 7 days. And tell me in the comment section below, tell me what it does for you. But you will never regret trying this recipe at home. All right, remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. So thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you for sharing in my video today. Thank you guys. So stay tuned until the next video. All right, adios.